Good morning, students. Welcome to the virtual class of Information Technology of class ninth. Today we are doing Unit 3rd, Digital Documentation, Part 5. In this video, we will complete the session 5th, page formatting. What do you mean by page formatting? When we do any work in the MS Word, we have to set the page format like its size, margin, and orientation because after completing our work or after writing any letter or any documentation what we are doing, if we are taking the printout after it, then it will become very good. Page orientation. Page orientation means in which direction your print will come. There are two types of orientation. This is a portrait and this is a landscape. In portrait, the height of the page is longer than the width, and in landscape, the width of the page is longer than the height. Page size. There are so many sizes available in the printing command. You can select your paper size, whatever you in which paper you are going to take the printout. But by default, letter size 8.5 inches into 11 inches is the default paper size. Page margin. Page margin is a blank space around the text on the printed page. There are four margins on the page. Top margin, bottom margin, left margin and the right margin. If we set the left margin by 1 inch, there will be a gap of 1 inch between a left aligned paragraph and the left edge of the page. Page border. Page border is the boundary around a page in a document. Column formatting. Have you ever noticed a newspaper? It is printed in a multiple columns. MS Word also have feature to format our text in a columns. Header and footer. A header is printed in the top margin on the margin above the top of the page where you write your name, class, section or chapter name. It is called a header area. And in the footer area, it comes in the bottom of the page where you can write the page number. This is called the footer and this is called the header. The area where the header and footer content are placed is called the header and footer workspace. Insert page break. Word automatically inserts a page break when you reach the end of the page. When you press the enter key, a new page automatically comes. If you want the page to break in a different place, you can insert a manual page break also. Thank you.